Hello, namaste to everyone. Tila Taila, that is the sesame oil, is considered the best or sarvashreshta among all the vegetable oils in Ayurveda. So today in this video, let's know about the properties and benefits of this oil and the seeds. तिलः कषायो मधुरस्तिक्तः कटुको रसः विपाके कटुकः स्वादुः सुस्निग्धो बलकृत गुरुः. So these are the qualities of tila. Tilah, kashayo, madura, tikta. These are the three tastes, that is the kashaya, astringent taste, madura, sweet taste, and bitter taste. Tikta means the bitter taste. Katu vipakaha, that is after the digestion of the food, it converts to katu, that is the pungent taste. Ushnavirya, that is the hot potency. It is susnigdha, that is it is oily and it gives strength. Balakrit, it gives the strength to the body. So these are all the qualities of tila. So now let's know how it acts on the doshas. It balances the vata, increases the pitta, and it nourishes the kapha dosha in our body. The commonly used varieties are two types, that is the black variety and the white variety. The properties and the benefits are same, but only the thing is the black variety has more of calcium in it. So now let's know the uses of this sesame seeds. The sesame seeds strengthens your bones, strengthens your teeth, strengthens your memory power, and it increases the digestive power. And when you bite and chew these seeds, your teeth gets stronger. You can do gandusha or the gargling of this. So you can take half cup of water, little bit warm. You can add either the tila, 4-5 drops of this tila taila, or you can add the paste also and keep it in your mouth for 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Then you can goggle it and spit it out. This will cleanse your oral cavity and strengthens your teeth. The girls or the ladies who have the dysmenorrhea or the painful periods or menses, what she can do is she can take 1 tablespoon of the black sesame seeds, soak it overnight, and next day she has to drain it and take half tablespoon of the jaggery. Just mix both together and eat it just daily in the morning, and this should be continued for 5 days or 6 days. This should be done just earlier to her periods, just 5 days or 6 days earlier to her periods, and stop taking this when she gets her menses. It relieves your pain and discomfort during the periods. You can also use the til laddu or the til chikki, but remember that you have to prepare this using the jaggery. You can also apply the til oil on your navel region to reduce the dysmenorrhea. So applying the oil should be done daily at night and in the morning. It really relieves the pain and the discomfort she is suffering from. So now let's know the uses of tila taila. So winter is commencing, and so now let's know the uses or the benefits of applying the oil or doing the massage using the tila taila on your body. First thing is it strengthens the muscle and it decreases the fat, and it strengthens your bones, or if you're having any pain, joint pain, you can give a good massage of the joints using this oil. So after applying this oil, you have to take a sun bath, or at least 15 to 20 minutes after the application you have to sit under the sun in the early morning, that is before 8:30 or before 8 o'clock. This helps in the absorption of calcium in your bones, and we will get abundance of vitamin D. Now let's know the uses of head massage using the tila taila. It reduces the baldness, graying of the hair, and hair fall. It helps in proper functioning of the sense organs, and it induces good sleep. To increase your memory power, you can use 2 drops of tila taila early in the morning to your nostrils. So it will definitely increase your memory. So students and the persons who are studying or who wants to be more intelligent, who wants to remember everything, so can benefit from this. So this is all about the tila or the sesame. make the best use of it. Thank you.